guys, we have a new car. Well, not new, it's old, but new to me, for the YouTube channel. BMW Blast back at it again. Now we have the 1995 540i. It's auto, but since it's 95, it has the sport mode too, which unlocks the crazy power on this car. You can see the body's in pretty good shape. It had hail damage before. I don't know if you can see those little dings, but it's not noticeable, only if you pay attention really close. Yeah, my E92 is on. You know, the ticking noises from the lifters, that's normal. Once it gets warmed up, it goes away. Alright guys, so in today's episode, I'm gonna be doing the valve cover gasket. On this one, cause I'm like in a rush, so I'm just gonna explain to you guys how to do it. First, you have to get a 10mm and remove the nuts that go here for the coil packs. Remove that. Then you have to undo the screw that goes here. I mean, nut also. 10mm also goes there. To take that out. So then you have to take the little clips on the back of this for the injectors. I don't know if you guys can, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to focus, but I don't know if you can see right under there, the pink under here. There's like little clips that go in there. I'm gonna show you guys when I get it out. So you guys have to get something like this to pull those out. And then you have to get 13mm for focus. Okay. Then you have to get 13mm for this. There's gonna be 4 over here, 4 over here. That's 8, and 3 more. 11 of those. 11 bolts. So that's it for the valve cover gasket. So let me keep going. Alright guys. So I don't know if you can see from there, but look, these were the clips I was talking about. Those right here. That's for the injectors. Hopefully you guys can get them out easy. I'm gonna try to do my best now and take the valve cover out. Unplug your mass airflow sensor because it's a little bit on the way. And now let's get to it. But these ones right here are 10 also. So get your 10mm with extension and loosen them all up. Alright guys, so this is how it's going. I already put the valve cover back together. I need to tighten the bolts, but I had to take the mass sensor out because I couldn't move this harness out of the way. So, but it's good. If you saw the valve cover gasket, the old one, that thing is brittle. Was brittle as fuck. Like it cracked like in multiple spots. So definitely needed a change. I'm gonna be doing a video after, well maybe not because it's the same thing. But I'm gonna do the other side later because today it's already getting dark outside. So it's not yet, it's 6 something, but yeah, this is how it's going. Alright guys, so look, this was one piece of the valve cover. That's how brittle it was. So now, let me show you guys. So the car, it's a little shaky still because I only did the cylinders number 1 through 4 and valve cover gasket on the right side. I'm gonna do the next side, the left side soon. So listen to it. That's more rumble now. That's only with one side done. better. But yeah, it's not that hard. It took me 2 hours to be exact. I had to take that thing out. I suggest do it all together, but I'm missing the O-rings for the nuts on that side for the bolt, so that's why I didn't do it today. But yeah, it's looking good. So now I'm gonna do the final touches over here. I'm gonna put the BMW emblem and the molding clips over here for this, so that way it sits good. And I have an exhaust leak also on the bottom, so I need to fix that. But yeah, guys, E34, another E34 on the channel, so stay tuned.